Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya government conducts oral health awareness program at St. Dominic Secondary School. NEHU opposes CAA implementation. Effigies of Modi and Amit Shah burnt. FKJGP extends support to storm-affected family in Mairang. And Voice of the People Party unveils manifesto for 2024 MP elections. And now the news in detail. On April 5th, the government of Meghalaya, in collaboration with the National Health Mission (NHM), organized an awareness program cum oral health checkup at St. Dominic Secondary School in Nongdiwa, West Khasi Hills district. A program themed "A Happy Mouth is a Happy Body" aimed to promote oral hygiene among students. DMNHO Nongston Dr. E. Taryang and District Nodal Officer Dr. L.L. Mausor spearheaded the event alongside Dr. Dindori Nongsteng and other medical professionals, teachers and students. Free medical checkups were provided to the students, ensuring their overall health and well-being. Additionally, toothbrushes and toothpaste were distributed to emphasize the importance of maintaining healthy oral hygiene habits.
Is to avoid sweets and sticky food. Understand? Begini avoid yagi bapiang berkibabedna. So tu am kepeningkong do. Kabar pan. Kalau baladang ibam, baladang. I will tell before going much further. How all of you are brushing your teeth? Come on, yourself here. Should you keep net of here? Now I'll call Dr. Dahan to come here. And then paninga fee. Come no part, but should they keep net ki jong fee? Na prang jong fee. Kana sian sisngi fee should net. Kana sian. Sisian sisngi. Kanang lap sisian sisngi. How many times of you? Once a day. Rakti, so namanya Rakti, once a day. Oh yeah. Toh, dia pun. But twice a day, arsin sisngi. Ni toh. Mana mau cisin biat sisin sisngi tu? Tak lajap betul, but shotang sisin sisngi. But arsin sisngi, bom shot tawarem.
On April 5th, the leaders and members of the Northeastern Hill University Students' Union, NEHU, staged a protest, burning effigies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Minister of Home Affairs Amit Shah, along with copies of the Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA). The demonstration, led by spokesperson Ban Pinbyang Riang, highlighted NEHU's staunch opposition to the CAA's implementation by the Indian government. Addressing the media, Riang emphasized NEHU's firm stand against the controversial legislation, citing concerns over its implications for the region. Moreover, NEHU condemned the Vishwa Hindu Parishad's VHP involvement in the Ichamati incident and promptly dispatched a letter to the President of India expressing dissent.
Down, 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 down. BJP down, 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 down. BJP down, 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 down. CA down, 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 down. As a symbol of protest, Amit Shah and Modi, Northeast is not a refugee camp. Down, down, Modi. Down, down, Amit Shah. Let's go back! Go back! Go back! Illegal immigrants, go back! Go back! Go back! We condemn CAA! Down! Down! CAA! Down! Born in here. We condemn CAA! We condemn CAA! Down! Down! CAA! Down! Down! CAA! We condemn CAA. Down, down, CAA. Down, down, CAA. Down, down, CAA. Northeastern state condemn CAA. Northeastern state.
का पूरी तरह से हम विरोध करते हैं। हम जितने भी नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न हैं इस चीज़ को हम स्वीकारते नहीं हैं। हमें हमारी जल जंगल ज़मीन की हमें चिंता है, संस्कृति की चिंता है, समाज की चिंता है। तो ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट जो है यहाँ के हम लोग कोई कठपुतली नहीं है कि कोई भी आकर जो है यहाँ रह जाएंगे और हमारी संस्कृति को, हमारे समाज को, हमारे जल जंगल ज़मीन को नुकसान करेंगे। तो हम इस चीज़ का पूरी तरह से विरोध करते हैं और हम जितने भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट है हम इसका आगे भी हमने विरोध किया है और आज भी हम करेंगे। और यहाँ आज हम इकट्ठा हुए हैं, बहुत सारे नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोग हैं और केवल नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोग ही नहीं है, यहाँ नॉर्थ ईस्ट के बाहर के लोग भी हैं। तो इसका हम पूरी तरह से विरोध करते हैं और आगे भी करेंगे और इस चीज़ को हम कभी पूरा होने नहीं देंगे। थैंक यू।
Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. I welcome you all and thank you for sparing your time with us today. I represent as a student from the student community of the Northeastern Hill University. First and foremost, as the student community of NEHU, we extend our hand of support to the organizations of prevailing which are present in the northeastern regions, whereby this protest has been whereby this protest has been started from the northeastern region. And also I extend the hand of support to the student organizations also under the banner of NEHU also. Why are we here today to protest against this act? Firstly, if we speak about the commitments that the government has committed in the previous years. If we talk about Assam, it has violated the Assam Accord also. And also, I feel that the northeastern regions, including all the states in the northeast of India, they are not dumping grounds for illegal immigrants. And that also, even if as notified by the government recently, that the northeast states are not
PE mo bengila ipenya ini program ibarat halor ka jingeki ya kanika CE te nakaliang ka NEHU ka ngi condemn moi ka jingle ka jong umudi bat Amit Shah buanra ini ka bill buanra ini ka bill nomor ba pindepet ba ngi hani ngi tong Peit te lada kanika bill ka trikam te kinong bangla kinwan kabumut.
On the 5th of April, the Federation of Khasi, Jantia and Garo People FKJGP East and West Khasi Hills Zone visited Mauro Lightdom in Mairang CNRD block to offer support to the family of Sinaris Lauranyang, who lost a child and their home in a recent storm on March 31st, 2024. FKJGP provided financial aid as a gesture of solidarity with the grieving family. Additionally, they appealed to the district authorities and block development to promptly assist all families affected by the calamity, urging immediate action to alleviate their suffering.
Nagaling jungi kung ka sang FKJP Eastern West Hill Zone mentangi don huni ha kaying jong i kong yung iba mat itu kejingjia bersusi ha katu ka amit sni ulai ha ka ba nagaling jong ka baka jia ka ka eryong lang thari ka bala panjab ni kaying sem jongki nadu katanrayeng hadu ba kwali kumsim bru kila du no iwi kun te nagling jungi kum kaseng yung sekolah bang susngap ndrei mentahi kumni ngilawan banmi bat pan wanmi kan yang tang man ai men sem nagling jungi namar ba ngidan hi tak jisno pradok prasnam ba pan susngap do ngim skohon kata kam sem ba jungi te ndrei menta katnong bisa dap dag jikban ba ngilawan ban kendu hangni markman khamtam i kpa ba i mi jong itu khlog i bala khlab nak nang ka perthai de nagleng jung isu ai ka jing kitbok kitgang ba nagleng jung kane ka jing kasem ba kitang ya dan berbolah kami ka bokoi bakhia bat ba kitang la ban roi porum pare khamtam hakini gisni banwan bat kawai isu ka ba bikinang laj nak kini jingjia ki ba serkhei ki ba walang shop hagi jungki te sakoi nakaleng jungi kum kaseng isu karpat ya kabor jongka sorkar pa kabadai khme habidai begini jingjia ka ba kumne isu kwa ban kentu nakaleng jungi kum kaseng ba kin prestat ya ka kam ajingerap kumbala kran menteri rang ba hatu kesengi ba la kumno hapo kasapo prakanta kejingerap kala deban poi sikini kilongjing namar ba undi tang hakane ka longjing ka bajia ya kane jingjia hakane po sinong kumbala itu ki badipek ki bahalor badipek ya kane sinong ya dan kumba sispa sanpho ar tam gi longjing hakane ka sinong hendrei na pedeng kita sanpho tam gi longjing kila sakta habade be kane ka eryong te nakaleng junging sukentu ya sarkar ba lakumno ba hoi kamdi ka basuk ba phin le ya kani kam hiap sim gi jingdon kam gi ba pher ring sukentu ba la dalong bala chum ha ban simkhia ya kani kam.
The Voice of the People Party VPP on the 5th of April unveiled its manifesto for the 2024 MP elections at Hotel Ladybird, Umsosun. Vice President Dr. Kara H. Shen presented the party's key objectives, including making the inner line permit effective, opposing railway projects, enhancing road infrastructure, and advocating for the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, and many more. The manifesto reflects VPP's commitment to addressing regional issues and promoting the interests of the people.
Democracy. PKP dia pilaban sungtu baka demokrasi kamut ba pisukut tangga jet nomik pa pi gawai kalong nada pi ngai kung kata ka demokrasi kamut ka demokrasi kalong once in 5 years and it ends there henai ka demokrasi ka substantive democracy na kita ka real democracy pi don kam ya kata ka engagement with the authority with the government throughout lene baro sansnan pihak pan ya tiku pihak pan ya dimai pihak pan ya tereng di nata kata kani kejing ong ba himla ban ya di ban ya dawa syabah na ka parlimen kalau mau bakra pihak ni kalau syabah na parlimen ka parti ke don kam apo parlimen lu ni don kam pipin lama himla haka india ke jogi pe tu ka tiba famous law mau ti an di le bikinong rep kan kam khai ke parlimen khai ke surok Pechwa tang itu likely ki an ke bak sarkar BJP ka hapan wengno klanje tenata kana habangi gran syapang ka demokrasi pidai ben pej ka kolom kira ben pej ka naki ya kata kon pej ka na boro kilia ngimna ban supej ka tang na wikalia tinga nga pej ka ni jinga gran ke jangan ke jala ke jogi I ko makibri ki pas tho ka demokrasi Tiga way ke representative democracy kan. Ini on the other hand pada kan kini kejing ya kejing simpenta pada. Kapasya bar jong ka legislature kan kam. Tiwa balcha ke tu pakai itu. Tiga way kalau hak India jongi. Ngini kan suatu ya kini ka habangi Jawa ku bi kini di penbo ya katin hasi ya ke itu. Kini kamut ka thau ya pluralism. Tiga Congress party ka follow kelane ka vote ya kata ka bangila banong hoi kinge ya pluralism hindi ka pluralism juga kan very limited kalau ka parit ka bakim hindi pinalo pa ka India ka jongi ya ka pluralism dan kita ka jinglong kata ka India ka jongi ba shong like ba pun jai benri benan ka jong culture ka jong ka ktin kanong pi ka India ka jongi ka future hi jong pluralism ka don ha ka regional political parties Lada kimdan di regional political parties kamdan pluralism. Kamdam Hagwe day but ethnic nationalism, ethnic this regionalism, ethnic identity. Ka berpindah kini hi berpindah board hi tang kata ke sarkar ke badan ke parti ke badan ke balak mental sarkar Delhi. Bila you i berkamdan ke respect itu. Dengan orang itu kau kalau kau ni ingin maintain the position, kau ingin you follow ini, ya ka demand ya ka benbu ya feel enjoy. Tapi apa pilihan di parti, harga jelas enjoy. Kiba.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.